nice. Very nice, sir. Okay, come on, Manimalan.
Nimalan, இது என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
Louder, Nimalan.
Ma'am, voice is audible,
From the
ma'am.
beginning, louder, Manimalan. I can't hear Nimalan.
Ma, சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
டேலியா.
இது டேலியா இல்ல இது.
Delia.
இது லில்லி.
லில்லி. டாட்டர். அல்லி.
டேசி.
டேசி. டூலிப்.
இதுல டியூலிப், இதுதான் டியூலிப். இது
hibiscus.
Ma'am, 3 he told correctly, ma'am. Other 2 he didn't say.
Tomorrow again I'll ask him. I'm not noting him down. Tomorrow one more time I'll ask him. Okay? Okay, next is Yukta.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me the flowers.
Lily. After.
Look at the flower, ma. Yukta, look at the flower. Daisy.
Daisy.
Next one.
Yes. Tulip.
Very good, Yukta. Thank you, Yukta. Next is Riyasri.
No, Daisy, ma'am.
Yes?
She did not Daisy alone.
Tomorrow again we'll conduct the activity, no problem. At that time they'll be clear.
Okay.
Next is Riyasri.
சொல்லு இங்க பாரு.
Yes.
சரி சொல்லு என்னது?
Come on.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல சொல்லு.
Did you all learn, children? I've sent you the message, no? Did you all learn what are the flowers in that page? Did you all learn or you didn't learn? Come on, Riyasri.
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு. இதுல இருந்து சொல்லு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து சொல்லு. நீயே சொல்லு. சரி.
Lily. Daisy. Hibiscus.
மேம் கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டா மேம். லாஸ்ட் ஒன் சத்தமா சொல்லுடா. இது என்னது?
Daisy.
டேசி. இது ஓகே. இது சத்தமா சொல்லுடா.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Riyasri. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra, take your flowers page worksheet 32, D32. Now come on, name the flowers. First one.
First flower solla.
Lily.
Super. Next one. Aster. Very good, Nakshatra. Next one.
Daisy.
Good. Next one.
Hibiscus.
Very good. Next one. Super, Nakshatra. Very good, Kanna. Well done. Very good. Chamattu. Okay, next is Ilango. Ilango.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ilango. Come on, name the flowers, Ilango.
சொல்லு இது என்னது? எல்லோ கலர் ஃப்ளவர் என்னது? What is this? எல்லோ கலர் ஃப்ளவர் என்னது? Lily. சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம்.
Ma'am, Lily, ma'am.
Second one.
Rooster மாதிரி நான் சொன்னேன்.
Rooster.
Rooster மாதிரி Easter.
Next one.
Third one. Very good. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Daisy, ma'am.
Next.
Third one. Fourth one.
வீட்ல இருக்கும்ல என்ன ஃப்ளவர்?
Hibiscus.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Hibiscus, ma'am.
Super, Ilango. Next one. Tulip. Very good, Ilango. Thank you so much. Nitish. Nitish.
Awesome.
Yeah, come on, Nitish.
சொல்லுங்க. 7 names. பரவாயில்லை. சொல்லு.
Come on, Nitish.
7 names.
Lily. First is Lily.
சொல்லு. அவங்க மேம் சொல்றாங்க சொல்லு.
Lily. First one, Lily. தொட்டு பாருங்க. Lily.
சொல்லு.
Second one. Super. Aster. Good. Third one.
I want a battle.
Third one. What is third one? Daisy. 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 The Daisy. Fourth one, hibiscus.
சொல்லு.
Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Tulip. Tulip. Okay, Nitish, tomorrow one more time we have to say ma. Okay, next is who has joined? Adarsh. Adarsh. Adarsh, what flower is this, Adarsh?
அங்க பாரு மேம் பாரு இது என்ன ஃப்ளவர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் எல்லோ கலர் தெரியுது அது என்ன ஃப்ளவர்
என்ன flower அது? Lily.
நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது
Second one என்னது?
சத்தமா சொல்லுடா
Aster. Next one. White color, what flower is this?
இது என்னது சொல்லு
Daisy.
ஃப்ளவர் பாரு கீழ பாரு ஃப்ளவர் பாரு
Daisy.
சொல்லு
Daisy.
சரி ஃபோர்த் ஒன் என்னது
Okay, this one hibiscus. Hibiscus. Tulip.
ஃபோர்த் ஒன் ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் என்னது
Next is Adya Sharma. ஆதர்ஷ் மறுபடியும் படிக்க வைக்கணும் ஆதர்ஷ் அம்மா நீங்க.
ஓகே மேம்
Next Adya Sharma. Come on, the first flower.
ये कौन सा है?
Lily.
Second one.
ये कौन सा है? पर्पल कलर कौन सा है?
Flower.
Aster.
After the
Third one, white one.
lower.
कौन सा है? डी से? डी से डे.
This is the
Daisy.
Daisy.
Okay, fourth one.
ये कौन सा है?
Hibiscus.
Super. Fifth one.
Yes, sir.
ये वाला?
Tulips.
Very good. 3 you have said correctly, but tomorrow again I'll ask you, Adya. Okay? Thank you so much, children. But tomorrow again, one more time, we'll conduct this activity, children, because many of you didn't say all the 5 flowers correctly. Okay, so tomorrow, one more time, you have to learn all the flowers. I'll be asking you tomorrow. Okay, now all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for Kidsy Anthem. Stand up, all of you, join your hands and close your eyes. Gupta, stand up. Shravanya, Kidsy Anthem.
Kids anthem. Run with me. Run with Run me. My protection side. It's my place.
You are the wind.
My
You are the wind.
you are a wind in my flight. You define me. My protection side. Today I bless with all my mind. I shall love you, my potential side.
Very good. Thank you so much, Shravanya. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Stand up, all of you. Stand up. Stand up.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma. Stand up, all of you, for the warm-up activity. Run, run, run. Run, all of you. One minute, children. Yeah, 1 minute, okay?
What's going on? Break it.
Run, run, all of you. Run, run, run. Run fast.
Break it.
Okay, very good children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Adya.
बोलो. Ma'am, she's drinking water.
Yeah, okay. Next.
சொல்லு உன்னோட தான்.
Hiraya ma'am.
Very good. Next. Nakshatra.
Nakshatra.
Here I am. சொல்லுங்க Nakshatra.
சொல்லுங்க.
What happened? என்னாச்சுடா? Why? What happened, ma Nakshatra? ஆ? என்ன வேணும்? என்ன வேணுமா? என்ன வேணும்? Nakshatra's dad, what she wants?
ஸ்லைட் வேணுமா மேம்? அது கொடுத்தாச்சு.
சரி கொடுங்க, ஏன் அழ வைக்கிறீங்க? ஓகே வாங்கிக்கோங்க, ஸ்லைட் வாங்கிக்கோங்க நக்ஷத்ரா. Don't cry, smile. வாங்கிக்கோங்க ஸ்லைட், ஓகே? அழக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட். Very good, Riyasri. Next. Sara. Good morning, Sara. Next. Yes, good. Very good, Pranavi. Next. Very good, Pravina. Next. Srinija. Srinija. Absent. Okay, next. Very good, Tilakar. Pranavi and Pravina, mute yourself. Next. Kadambari. Kadambari. Pranavi and Pravina, mute yourself, both of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Kadambari. Kadambari. Okay, fine. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Shavanya. Next. Mokshita is absent today. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Mahadesh. Thank you, children. Madhya, did you say here I am, Madhya? Madhya.
Here I am.
Very good, Adya.
Super, bad job.
Now all of you, come on. Attendance is over. Next is our rhyme session, okay? Already I taught you the vegetable rhymes, right? Today who will sing the vegetable rhymes?
Me.
Yes, come on, Shavanya.
Vegetables,
Shavanya, stop. Tilakar, is your name Shavanya? Tilakar, mute yourself. I'll call you Tilakar. First mute yourself. Unnecessarily, you should not unmute Tilakar. Whenever I call you only, you should unmute yourself and answer. Okay? Yes? Okay. Next. Come on, Shavanya, finish your rhyme.
From the garden from the peach, I am the chapel, cook and eat, cook in the salad, healthy to eat.
Very good. Adarsh, take out that from your mouth, Adarsh. Next is Tilakar. Come on, now you sing Tilakar. Come on, Tilakar.
Vegetable, just a healthy. Some
Some from the garden, some from the field.
and some silent and distant. Eat
You don't know the rhyme, right? But you want to unmute and sing. Okay, children, listen to the rhyme. Next, who knows? Sarah knows?
Yes,
Sarah?
Sarah.
Yes, next, Sarah.
See whether you know the rhyme or not. சொல்லுங்க மேம் கிட்ட மேம் she didn't prepare it for
Okay, no problem. Next, Riyasri, you know the rhyme?
சொல்லு vegetable.
vegetables,
அங்க பாடு சத்தமா பாடு by them and
Correct, correct.
put them to
salad.
Okay, small request. Whenever they are saying anything or singing anything, don't interrupt them in between. Let them sing. If I can't hear, I'll tell you that I'm not able to hear you. Satama padu sonningana, they will forget that lines. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Riyasri. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra, will you sing vegetables?
Vegetables, healthy.
Some from the garden, some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in the salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, Nakshatra, thank you. Next is Yukta.
Vegetable, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Then put them in salads. Healthy to eat.
Very good, Yukta. Kadambari.
vegetables.
Vegetable, fresh and healthy. From a garden, some from the buy it to chop and cook it eat, and put it to salad ready to eat.
Well done. Very good, Kadambari. Next, whom shall I ask? Nimalan. Nimalan.
Vegetable, so many
சொல்லு
vegetable, so many
Some from the garden.
some from the garden,
some from the field
some from the key,
அடுத்ததுதான் சாப்பிடுங்க
chopping.
I don't know.
and he
Okay,
doesn't know
learn the
ma'am
rhyme, no?
I'll teach
Yeah,
him
learn the rhyme. Adya Sharma.
Sing करो.
ठीक है. Vegetables have we eaten from the garbage and the cook happy to eat it.
Buy them and
Chop them.
When cooking it, put it in salad. He happy to eat.
very good. Thank you. Okay, one more time, ma'am will sing for you, children. Okay. Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay. Today another rhyme ma'am is going to teach you a simple rhyme. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Only 4 lines. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Okay, it is in your rhymes book, children. You can check it out. That's only 4-line rhymes. It's very easy. Okay. Roses are red. What color was the roses? I showed you the roses on that day, right? What color was that roses? It was red in color, right? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay, I'll send you the audio also. Check it in your rhymes book. And our next session is going to be our concept session. We already learnt about flowers, right? What are the flowers you remember? என்னென்ன flowers ஞாபகம் இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். What are the flowers you remember? Hibiscus, tulip. Okay, very good. Okay, again we have a small recap of what flowers we learned already. Okay, children, I want all of you. Can you see my screen, parents? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Flowers, okay. First is, what flower is this? Aster. Dahlia, it has lot of petals, children. நிறைய petals இருக்கும். This dahlia. Dahlia. Okay. Adya, repeat after me. Dahlia. What flower is this, Adya? Dahlia. Very good. Dahlia. Okay. Next is daisy. What flower is this? Daisy. Daisy. Riyasri, don't play. Look at the screen. Daisy. Next is hibiscus. All of you look at the screen. All of you look at the screen. You don't want stars, children? End of the session, you'll be getting stars. Okay, come on, look at the screen. Hibiscus. What color is hibiscus, children? What is this color? What color is this? Red color. Hibiscus. Okay. Next is lily. Lily will be in yellow color also. In the book, it is given in yellow color. Okay, children? Lily. And next is lotus. Lotus. Marigold. Marigold. Orchid. Orchid. Very good. Periwinkle. Seven brought periwinkle flower today. Periwinkle. Tulip. Tulip. Tulip are in many colors, children. Yellow, white, red and all. So this is red color tulip. Okay. And this is rose. What rhyme did I teach you? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. I taught you, right? So, roses. Red, and we have many colors also in roses, okay? Sunflower. What is this? Sunflower. Okay, one more time. Sunflower, rose, tulip, periwinkle, orchid, marigold, lotus, lily, hibiscus, daisy, dahlia, aster. So these are the flowers, okay? And today we are going to match the shadow of the flowers. I want you to take worksheet number D35CT. D35CT. Okay, write the date, today's date. What is today's date? Yesterday was 15 and today is 16. 16-8-2121. Eight dash 2121. 16 Monday 8 Month of August to 121 is the year. Tomorrow I'll be asking flowers as well as months of the year, children. Okay, from January to December. Have to learn. Okay. Come on, match the shadow. First is the periwinkle flower. See, where is the periwinkle shadow? And match it. Periwinkle. Here. Next is dahlia with lot of petals. Dahlia. Third one, tulip. And the fourth one is orchid. Orchid. Finish. Finish. Everyone else finished? Yeah, good. Yes, now children, I want you to circle tulip. Circle the tulip flower. Where is tulip flower? Circle the tulip flower. Tulip. Tulip. Circle the tulip flower. Okay. Now next is circle periwinkle. Periwinkle is a purple color flower. Periwinkle. Periwinkle. It will be in purple color. Periwinkle. Parents, please check whether they are circling it correctly. First is tulip, this flower. Second is periwinkle, this one. This is periwinkle. Third one is orchid. Where is orchid? Orchid. Which one is orchid? Second one or the fourth one? Eduma orchid? Very good. Fourth one, orchid. And final one, dahlia. Dahlia. Very good. Dahlia. Okay, I want you to take D32 CT, this worksheet, children. This worksheet. D32 CT, this worksheet I want you to take. Okay. Now I am going to tell you one by one. You are going to number the flowers. 1, 2, 3 na number எழுத போறீங்க. Okay? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Number 1, lily. Where is lily? Write number 1 in the box.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the page number, ma'am?
D32 CT, this worksheet.
Okay.
Number.
இங்க 1 அடுத்தது இது என்னது?
First is please follow what I am saying. Don't do it on your own.
இது
First one, number 1, lily. Where is lily? Write number 1.
lily. இது என்னது?
Yellow color flower. This is lily. Write number 1. And number after. After எங்க இருக்கு? Write in that box number 2. After. After. Very good, Shavanya. Write number 2 in after. And number 3, daisy. Where is daisy? Write number 3. Write number 3 in daisy. Don't hurry up, children. Slowly follow my instruction and do the worksheet. Write number 3 in daisy. Number 4, hibiscus. Hibiscus எங்க இருக்கு? Write number 4. Very good, Nakshatra. 4 எழுதுங்க. Write number 4 in hibiscus. Next, number 5, marigold. Marigold, it will be in orange color. Samandipu. 5 marigold. And then finally 6 orchid. Orchid. Orchid number 6. Finish?
Finish.
Finished? Okay. Very good. Now keep your pencils down. Today we are going to learn tens counting. Keep your pencils down. Come on. Ready? Tens counting. Okay, I told you, I taught you group of tens. Group of tens என்னன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன் இல்லையா ma'am? So today we are going to see நிறைய group of 10 ன்னு சேர்ந்தா what will come. That we are going to see because in our worksheets nowadays we are seeing 20 series. Right? So two group of tens when they join together, what will you say? You'll say it as 20. So today we are going to see one by one up to 10 from 10 to 100. Okay. This is group of 10. Can you see number 10 written here? 1, 0, 10. And the next group of 10 is 20. Can you see here? 20. And the next group of 10 is 30. 3, 0, 30. Next is 40. 4, 0, 40. 4, 0, 40. Next one, 5, 0, 50. 5, 0, 50. Next is 6, 0, 60. You can see here, 6, 0, 60. 7, 0, 70. Okay. 8, 0, 80. 8, 0, 80. And then 9, 0, 90. 9, 0, 90. And then finally 1, 0, 0, 100. Okay, so I have totally 10 bundles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these 10 bundles, I have 10 sticks, group of 10s. Okay, so each group has 10 sticks. And when you add one by one, what will you get? You will get till 100. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, come on. Do it with ma'am. All of you close your fingers. Close your fingers. Everyone.
Wait.
Yes? Yeah, come on. Repeat after ma'am. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
80,
80,
90,
100. Okay. So when you see group of 10, first group of 10 will be 10. Next will be 20 and the next will be 30. 30 ka apro 40. Apro 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So now we are going to do our math worksheet. 2, 4, 24. Take the worksheet. Come on. D34 empty. D34 empty. D34 empty. Here you have group of 2 tens here. One is 10. Next one what will be? Next is another 10 na? What will you say? This is 10. This is, what is this children?
சொல்லுங்க.
2 0
This is 20.
20 இங்க வந்து இதுல சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க.
Then 21, 22, 23, 24. Two, 4, 24 and 25 number will be your homework, children. Number 25 will be your homework. 2, 4, 24. Spell and write. Two, 4, 24. Two, 4, 24. What number you are writing, Shravanya?
2 4 24.
Very good. Nimalan, what number you are writing?
2 4 24 ma'am.
Good, very good. Kadambari, what number you are writing?
சொல்லு. என்ன எழுதுற சொல்லு.
2 4 24.
2, 4, 24. Very good. Nakshatra, what number you are writing, Nakshatra?
சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட.
4
ஆ
2 4 24.
2, 5, 25. Yeah.
2 4 24.
2 4 24.
2, 4, 24. Adya, what number you are writing, Adya?
24.
क्या लिख रहे हो?
I writing my whole skirt.
वो तो ठीक है, ये क्या है? 2 4
2, 4.
24.
Good. 2, 4, 24. Well done. Finished? Next I'm going to tell you a story, children. Come on, finish fast. Next it's going to be a story worksheet. Ravanya, finish number 24. Ah? Good.
Say, finish the solo.
Finish.
Tara, finish. Good.
Finish.
Yes. Finish can take worksheet number D34 ERP and observe what is given in the picture. D34 ERP English Readiness Program. Those who have finished, take worksheet number D34 ERP. You can observe what is given in the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Let me know, is there anyone still writing number 2424?
Atha is there. She will do it later, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Chalo, Atha.
Anyone else? Everyone has finished, huh? Okay. Here there is a story in this worksheet. Yes?
House.
Come on, everyone. D34 ERP. Okay? Let your parents use the worksheet. You all listen here, children. Tilakar, finish. I want everyone to listen to ma'am. First, everyone listen, hear the story, and then you can do the worksheet later. Okay? First, the story is once there were two children. ரெண்டு குழந்தைங்க இருந்தாங்க. There were two children, one boy and one girl. Why Yukta is keeping on crying, Yukta's mom?
That's what I also don't know, ma'am. She's very fussy. She wants something in her hand. I took it from her hand, so now she's crying from a long time.
Okay, give something in her hand, no issues.
She's scribbling on the table, ma'am. That's why I took
Don't scribble, Yukta. You just keep it in your hand, okay? Okay?
it.
Now listen, all of you, listen to the story carefully. Then only you will be able to do the worksheet, okay? Once there were two children, a boy and a girl. Or boy or a girl. When they were playing in the garden, they saw a bird. அங்க ஒரு bird பார்த்தாங்க. It was on the floor. It was on the ground. தரையில ஒரு bird பார்த்தாங்க. The bird was injured. Injuredனா என்ன ஆச்சு birdக்கு? Birdக்கு என்னாச்சு? என்னாச்சு birdக்கு? Bird is wounded. Birdக்கு அடிபட்டுருச்சு, okay? Yeah, the bird was injured. So the children thought, what should we do? என்ன பண்ணலாம் அந்த birdக்கு அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சு, what they did, they wanted to take the bird to a hospital. Okay, so which hospital will take animals and all? Do you know? If we are not feeling well, we go to a regular hospital. But when animals and birds, yeah, very good. When animals and birds are not feeling, yes, okay, ma. When animals and birds are not feeling well, we take them to a veterinary doctor. Okay, veterinary doctor, normal doctor. நமக்கு பார்க்குற டாக்டர் கிட்டுட்டு போக மாட்டோம். We'll take them to a veterinary doctor. Okay, so they search for a veterinary hospital and they took the bird to a veterinary hospital. Okay, there they saw a veterinary doctor and the doctor bandaged for that bird. Okay, he gave some medicine, he bandaged for the bird, and both the children, they took the bird and let it fly. So this is the story. So now I am going to ask you a question. Who were there? There were two children, right? Yes, who were there? Two children were there. Yes? Both of them are girls, huh? Both of them are girls?
Boy and girls.
Yeah, a boy and a girl. Okay. What did they see on the ground? What did they see on the ground?
The bird.
A bird. How was the bird? The bird was. என்னாச்சு bird?
சத்தமா சொல்லு. Bird-க்கு என்னாச்சு?
என்னாச்சு bird-க்கு?
Bird-க்கு என்னாச்சு?
Injured. Bird was. Okay. Then where did they take the bird? எங்க எடுத்துட்டு போனாங்க bird-அ?
Hospital, man.
Veterinary hospital. Okay. There hospital போய் யார் பார்த்தாங்க? Whom did they see in the hospital?
Veterinary doctor.
Very good, Tilakar. Veterinary doctor. And then what the veterinary doctor did to the bird? என்ன பண்ணார் veterinary doctor? Yeah, bandage for the bird. And then what happened? What the children did with the bird? What the children did? They let the bird fly. Okay, the same thing you are going to do in that worksheet, children. What is the first step in that worksheet? What is the first scene in the worksheet? What will be? Come on, show me anyone. What will be the first scene? Show me in a book. What will be the first scene? Very good, Yukta. What will be the first scene? Yeah, the bird is on the ground. That will be the first scene. Very good. So there you are going to write number one.
அப்ப இதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க
Write
1
number
போடு 1.
1. Everyone, please mute yourself. Number 1 in the box. First, both the children, they saw a bird on the ground. That is number 1. And they found the bird is injured. Then they took the bird to a hospital or doctor. First hospital ponuma, doctor varuvangala. Which will come? Hospital. Very good. But then they took it to a hospital. Number 2. Write number 2. And in the hospital, whom did they see? They saw a
Veterinary doctor.
veterinary doctor. Very good. Here. Number 3.
3.
Okay. And then finally, what happened? The children let the bird fly after giving some treatment. They let the bird fly. That is number 4.
4.
Finish?
Standing line, sleeping line.
Okay, now children, all of you, now I want you to show your 4 emotions which I already taught you. How will you show your happy face? Happy face? Very good. Then sad face? Sad face எப்படி காட்டுவீங்க? Sad face. And then angry face? Angry. Very, very angry. Angry face. And then scared face, fear face, or scared face. Oh, like that you will show. Okay. So next worksheet is based on that only, children. I want you to take worksheet number D36 ERP. Sorry, D35 ERP. D35 ERP. Okay, here few situations are given. You are going to find out which emotion will match to that situation. Okay, ready all of you? First, a girl was eating a bread. At that time, a crow snatched the bread. How will you feel? You will feel very angry, no? ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்குமோ யாருன்னா புடுங்கிட்டாங்கன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு? ரொம்ப கோவமா வரும், right? You will feel very angry, right? So match the angry face. Angry. And then when it is raining, follow my instruction and do it, children. Parents solli kudukadinga, let them listen to me and do it. Next situation, children hear it and then do it. It is raining. மழை பெஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கு. If you are not able to play outside, வெளியில போய் விளையாடலாம்னு பார்த்தா மழை பெய்யுது, என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? You will feel happy or sad? மழை பெஞ்சா எப்படி விளையாட முடியும்? You will feel happy or sad? Sad. If you're not able to play, you'll feel sad. So match the sad face. The girl is also very sad. Look at her face. Very sad. And next situation, it is raining. And you can hear a loud thunder. See a lady, that is a mom and the child. They are going in a car and they suddenly hear a thunder. And suddenly they hear a thunder. How they are feeling? Look at their face. How they are feeling? They are feeling very scared. Oh, achuchu, idi idikkudu. They are very scared. So match the scared face. And finally, you can see a boy here. He is playing with the butterfly. Whenever you see a butterfly, how will you feel? You will feel happy or sad? Butterfly பார்த்தா எப்படி feel பண்ணுவீங்க? Happy. Very good, Nakshatra. Happy. Happy face. Over. The next will be our language worksheet D35LT. It is very easy, children. Letter L. What is the phonic sound for L? Anyone knows? Phonic sound for L? What is the phonic sound? What is the phonic rhyme? Very good, children. We lick the lollipop. We lick the lollipop. We lick a lollipop. So that is L. Come on, very easy. Only a standing line. And the next page will be your homework. So today you have 2 homework sheets. One is L worksheet and the next is number 25 worksheet. Okay. D35MT number 25 worksheet is your homework. Children, this is capital L. You will write like the standing line and the sleeping line. This is capital L. But small l, just write a standing line L. L for ladybug. L for lion. L for lamb. L for light. L for lollipop. Come on, write L. Very easy, children. Come on, finish first.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, done.
This will be your homework, children. Number 25, D35MT. Note it down. And another oral test will be there tomorrow. That is months of the year. Those who didn't say flowers properly today, tomorrow I'll be asking that too. Okay. Now I want you to take your math notebook, children. Take your math notebook. Those who have finished L. Take your math notebook. Parents, I want you to draw 10 circles, small circles, and write the following numbers inside it. From 11 to 20. Randomly you write, parents, don't write in an order. And children, take yellow color or light green color crayon in your hand. Ten circles. Write the numbers randomly, parents, like this in an assorted way. Don't write it in an order. Like this you have to write. Take light green or yellow. Any color you can take. Ready? Parents can draw, write and give it to them. Children, you need not write, you just color when I say the numbers. When you are ready, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Ready, ma'am.
Ready? Shall we start?
Ready, ma'am.
Anyone is still writing? Parents, still anyone is writing? No. Okay,
No,
now
ma'am.
come on, children, take your crayons.
Wait, Sarah, wait.
Ready? Okay, now I'll call one by one. You are going to show me which number. Okay. First is Tilakar. Show me where is number 11. Others you can color number 11. 1, 1, 11. Where is 1, 1, 11? Where is 1, 1, 11? Color the circle. Where is 1, 1, 11? Parents, let me see how they are coloring the correct number. Please tilt the camera and let me see. Yeah, good, ma Tilakar. Don't take dark color crayons, children. Take yellow, either yellow or green, light green. Don't take dark colors. Okay, now the second number is 1, 4, 14. Nimalan, where is 1, 4, 14? 1, 4, 14. எங்க இருக்கு?
கை வச்சு காட்டு எங்க இருக்குன்னு. Correct, very good.
Come on, color, very good, color. All of you color 1, 4, 14. Finish. Okay, ma'am will also color along with you, children. First, I said it is number 11. Next number, I told you to color number 1, 4, 14. Next is Yukta. Where is number 17? 17.
Check. Miss చూస్తారు. You do it, Miss will see.
Good, very good. Number 17. All of you color number 17. Very good, Yukta. 17. Good. The next number, Ilango. Where is number 12?
12 எங்க இருக்கு மேம் கம்மி?
Where is number 12?
இங்க இருக்கு.
ஒழுங்கா கம்மி. இது 12.
Color it to me. Or else you color it and show it to me.
1 to 12.
Very good. கலர் பண்ணிட்டு
When
மேம்.
you color and show it to me only, I will also color. Everyone color 1 to 12.
4.
Very good, Riyazki.
Oh. 4, come back.
சரி மேம்.
4.
Show me where is 1 to 12. Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you, Ma Ilango. I'm also going to color.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, next is Sara. Where is number 1, 9, 19?
Show me the ma'am 19 number show பண்ணுங்க. Which is 19. Show it to ma'am.
19.
Show one, which is 19. Show the number 19. 19.
1, 9, 19.
1, 9, 19. ஆமா நீ கலர் பண்ணு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் show it to ma'am. show it to ma'am. Ma'am
19. Yeah.
Okay, you can color now.
Color. 1, 9, 19. Good. Next will be Riyasri. 1919 finish. Thank you, Sarah. Next is Riyasri. 1616. Riyasri, where is 1616?
1616 எங்க இருக்கு? எங்க நீ கரெக்டா சொல்லு. 1616 எங்க இருக்கு?
1616.
ஏய் 1616
16. நம்பர் பார்த்துட்டு எல்லா நம்பரும் காட்ட
இங்க
கூடாது.
பாரு. இதுல நம்பர் பார்த்து சொல்லு. எங்க இருக்கு? 1616.
1616. 1
இது
6.
1 6 எங்க இருக்கு? 1 6
Very
சொல்லு.
good. Now follow 1616. Thank you, Riyasri. One 1616. Next will be Kadambari. Kadambari, where is 2020?
Where is 2020? 2020.
Where is 2020?
You color it.
Color and show it to ma'am. Then only ma'am will also color. 2020.
Yes,
Show it.
ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Kadambari. Finish. 2020 finish coloring, children. Next will be Adya. Adya 1515.
1516.
1515.
कहाँ पे जल्दी बताओ.
Color and show it to ma'am. Help ma'am to find out 1515. 1515.
जल्दी आते जल्दी.
1515.
कौन सा है जल्दी बताओ.
Take your own time, no problem. 1 and 5. 1 5.
मैम को बताओ.
Very good, Adya. Thank you, Adya. 1515. Slowly you have to search for the number, children. Then you color. Don't ask your parents. If they say also, you should say, don't help me, mama. You say like that, okay? Next will be Pranavi. 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 No, they are not there. Okay, Nitish. Next, Nitish. 1818.
1818 எங்க இருக்கு?
Nitish, 1818. Find out 1818. Adya, find out. Come on. 1818.
Done, ma'am.
हाँ.
Done, ma'am.
Inge 1818.
காமிங்க, show me. 18 காமிங்க, ma'am.
1818.
18.
என்னமா இருக்கு காட்டுங்க மேம்க்கு 1818.
18 காமிங்க. 18 இப்ப கலர் பண்ணீங்கல அது காமிங்க.
1818.
அது 13 18.
1 போட்டு 8 போட்டுருக்கோம். 1818.
மேம் காமிங்க.
Okay, I'm not able to see. Okay, I am circling the number 1818. And finally, whom I left out? Nakshatra 1313. 1313.
கலரிங் பண்ணுங்க.
Coloring பண்ணி காட்டு 1313 எங்க இருக்குன்னு காட்டுங்க.
1 போட்டு 3 போட்டுருக்கோம். 13. 1313.
1313 காட்டு மேம் கிட்ட.
3 போட்டுருக்கோம் பாருங்க. 1 போட்டு 3 போட்டுருக்கோம். வெரி குட். கலர் பண்ணுங்க இப்போ. 1313. That's it. Likewise, you have to identify the number. That's all. 1313. Very good.
சரி
Come
மேம்
on. Get 2 stars from your parents. Yes. Did anyone face difficulty in identifying the number? யாருக்காவது கஷ்டமா இருந்ததா நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, was it easy? Very easily found out. Very good. Now clap hands for yourself. Your parents give them 2 or 3 stars. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Okay, I have told you tomorrow's homework. Alphabet L, number 25, and months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So 12 months you have to say. Okay, children, that will be your oral test. Those who didn't say flowers properly tomorrow, those children also I'll ask tomorrow. Okay, thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nitish. Bye, Nitish.
Sorry, no. Star. Ma'am, Nitish wants star, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.